Hello, today's video is going to be how to pronounce the phoneme V. So you can hear this sound in words like video, five, move, leave. So how do we make this sound? So first of all, it's a voice sound, which means you need to feel vibration here in your throat. So if you're not sure, hum. So and put your hand on your throat and you'll be able to feel the vibration. And then what you need to do is to put your top teeth on your bottom lip. So like this. And then hum, let this vibration come. So v, 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 v. So some speakers will replace v with b. So they might say berry instead of very. So it's very important that you can see that your teeth are on your lip. Don't close your mouth. Keep your mouth open. The other mistake learners might do is to replace this sound with a w sound. So instead of saying video, they'll say video. So just make sure that you're not rounding your mouth. It needs to be wider. So, and then always make sure that people can see your teeth on your lip. Video. Try saying this. Vicky loves visiting Venice. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, feel free to check out some of my other phonetics videos. And thank you for watching, and goodbye.